Beautiful beach, beautiful weather and bintang. This is life, guys, right?
Got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
Hello world.
Everyone.
How are you doing? We are today in Geger beach. Actually right now we are walking
We
next
are
to...
in Geger beach, actually in Nusa Dua.
Yeah, but we are walking next to the Mulia Hotel, and actually where you are parking, this is public, this is already private, and we stepped ground here and the lovely security said, no, you cannot go there. The guy is very nice, but security noticed that much. But that's true, you cannot walk is on the private property, but this one behind, this is already the public beach. And there is, well, nice vibe here.
Okay, so we are in the area of the Mulia Resort and Villas Nusa Dua, and then this area is actually the luxury, one of the luxurious hotel in Nusa Dua. And if I'm not mistaken, this hotel also a quarantine hotel or something like that. Oh, no more quarantine. Sorry guys, I forgot. But
Staycation.
Oh, staycation. It's called staycation. So whenever you come to Bali nowadays using VOA, visa on arrivals, and then you have to stay minimum 3 nights. So this hotel in the Mulia is one of the hotel that is belong to CHSA or registered hotel or something like that. So yeah, but seems like not many people, I can say. Around me, maybe only 1 or 2 guests around. Okay guys, so this area in Nusa Dua long time ago is famous for the Russian tourists, Chinese tourists, Korean, Japanese, and yeah,
International.
international language. So we can see from the notice board here. So what I can say guys, if the Chinese tourists are not back yet, so it means like the hotel will still remain like this.
All right, so that's the Mulia Resort. Here's like a little jetty. There's the temple. There are even some boat actually cruising down. Here is nice little river or little, this is actually small bay. Small bay, like not river, small bay.
Oh, beautiful. This is just like a small bay. And then with the coral reef, not coral reef, with the cliff, I mean.
Honey?
No, I'm overheated, guys. So this bay or small lagoon area is basically more, I can say more local people coming here to enjoy, you know, the beach. And it's quite shallow water. And as you see that with the reef, with the cliff, so nice.
All right. So you are heading back to the public beach, but anyway, the hotel seems like it's totally quiet and empty. I don't know how many rooms, like 500, 600 rooms?
Maybe
Actually,
1,000 rooms.
maybe even 1,000. We were actually here on the afternoon tea once at the beginning of the current situation. So if you would like to see the video from this hotel and the pools and everything, is possible on our channel, but was busier than is today, definitely. All right, so we are approaching the public beach already, Sayang.
Yes, so here that is called Geger Beach. As you see, there are so many domestic and international tourists, and I think why so many tourists there? Maybe there is one restaurant or local restaurant that is the price more affordable, but let's see.
Yeah, so let's have a look. Great place for the sun bathing. It's very hot, by the way, guys, so you have to really like to sunbathing. But yeah, I believe many of you guys actually like to sunbathing anyway, right? So here is some domestic tourists.
And even lumpia sellers also here.
Oh yeah,
guys.
lumpia solar here, and also quite many foreigners chilling around, sunbathing and stuff like this. So it's not so bad. Really not so bad. Quite busy. Actually, it's more people here today than we little bit expect, but that's really good to see, I think. Really not so bad. Everywhere people on the left, 500, 360. Really not so bad. You can have a rent a sunbed here, like these people, and there is some warungs. We're gonna have a lunch, I think, over there. Even dog. What he's carry actually? What this dog is carry?
Diapers.
That's actually shouldn't be on the video, but it's gonna be.
Okay, as you see that only 1 and 2 the local restaurant that are open in this area in Geger Beach, and the rest still closed. Just like there's some locals there enjoying the time, and yeah, seems like this area is so busy, people chilling, having their own time. One thing that I can see is that yeah, there are many international, even tourists here enjoying their time. Let's see the water. Let's jump to the water. Oh, so nice. It's very warm water, and then the beach so clean. So nice. Okay guys, so I just jumped to the water, and look at this, the water. Okay guys, I just finished having a dip on the beach, and then I just realized that I put the microphone in the water. So this microphone, this is a review little bit. This microphone, if you buy this one, is not waterproof, and when I jump into the water, it's suddenly off. So
Broken.
yes, it's broken, so I just use Damian's microphone to talk.
Alright guys, so I need to cool down myself a little bit what's happened with the microphones. We have only one, so we are exchanging now one by one, talking only. No worries, I will buy it. So just maybe in the next few days I will make a vlogs by myself, but next weekend we will have already another set, and that's not paid endorsement. By the way, if you are watching this, make this microphones waterproof for the next time, please. Especially so hard in tropical countries to making videos like that.
Yeah, I know.
You don't work.
Okay, I'll take the microphone, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, maybe most of you just wonder why there are so many people, I can say, busy here, you know, like because there are only the restaurant that are open. I just want to share you the menu. Basically, if we see the menu, look, you see, juice, 15K, even Coca-Cola here, very cheap, and bintang is just like 25K, Radler 25K, and then let's see the food menu. The food menu also, really, it's very affordable. If you compare with the next luxury hotels, you know, with the 21% tax, here only 10% tax, so that's why.
Alright guys, so our food arrived. I ordered today not pizza guys or anything like this. This is beautiful satay ayam or chicken satay, looks pretty nice, and sayang hair.
And I think this one is the most affordable, like I can say the cheapest satay here in Nusa Dua.
Yeah, probably, definitely.
Yeah.
I just would like to mention that this satay here is 45,000, and the same satay in the hotel next door will cost you maybe 500. So yeah, but maybe there will be looks better, I don't know. But this one looks really tasty.
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Geger Beach, Nusa Dua. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
I wanna do it
Bye.
all again, so I keep pushing rewind.